Hii ndio serikali ya Mheshimiwa Matiang'i. Matiang'i president, deputy president George Natembeya, prime minister Kalonzo Musyoka, Ministry of Interior Gachagua, Ministry of Education Ndindi Nyoro, Chief Justice Martha Karua, Irungu Kang'ata, Minister of Finance, Eugene Wamalwa, Minister of Mining, Cleophas Malala, External Security, Gathoni Wamchomba, Minister of Gender, Abdul Nasir, Mombasa Governor, External Affairs, Minister of Sports, Peter Salasya, Mishi Mbogo, Tourism, Onyonga, Minister of Water, Jimmy Wanjigi, Trade, Ari Chijobefu, Youth Empowerment, Babu Wino, Governor Nairobi, Isaac Ruto, Bomet Governor.